What is up, Larockscooking Adventures? This is Nena and Papi Larock coming at you from our cruise that we went on this summer. This is pretty much just going to be a video compilation of some things that we did on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. This is the pool area, lounge area, pretty nice, pretty big. So this is our first stop on day 2. This is Coco Cay, Bahamas. This is the private island that the ship owns. So we pretty much just chilled by the beach here, but this is really the only video that we got. I kind of just wanted to highlight some of the things they had on the ship. This is one of the theaters where they have a lot of shows. This was a club that they had late night for adults. This is another venue where they had another club for the 18+ people. This was the arcade, which I thought was super cool and super big. Lots of things to do. I was honestly surprised at the amount of stuff that they had on this boat. It was crazy. Okay, we are now heading into day 4, which is in Cozumel, Mexico. We kind of just walked around the little town. We ate lunch there. Check out our TikTok video at Larockscooking Adventures to see the plate of what we got. But yes, very cool. This was another show that we went to. It was like an ice skating show, which was actually really good. Definitely better than what I was expecting, honestly. But I love the variety of different shows that they had. It kept us busy every day doing something. So I thought that was really cool. This leads us into day 5, which was in Roatan, Honduras. By far my favorite day because this is where we are going ATV riding in Honduras. This was just our ride to the actual ATV spot from the boat. Pretty much just shows, you know, where they live, and this was probably my favorite stop just because it was the most realistic place that we had seen, because the other places were more like touristy, but this was actually like culture and was just nice to see. Larocks, coming at you. How are you feeling about the ATV so far?
We're here, you know, top of the mountain.
Yep.
Doing it.
Top of the mountain. Top of the morning. Here we are in Roatan, Honduras. This is the little area that they took us after our ATV ride. This is our area for the buses. This leads us to our last stop, day 6 in Puerto Costa Maya, Mexico. We had the least amount of time on this stop, so we pretty much just spent most of the time at the pool. Still very pretty here though. Alright, this brings us to our last day. I wanted to show you guys the carnival that we had on the boat. It was so cool. They had free hot dogs most of the day. They had a candy shop, a carousel, they had an arcade, a bar. Everything was so cool. And this was where the water show was. I thought this was pretty cool, as well as all the other shows. And honestly, most of it we didn't even record just because we were kind of living in the moment. But yeah, we definitely made the most of our time on this cruise. that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to see other content that we have to share with you guys.